Front desk LED display is a functional and brand-promoting display screen, featuring quick deployment, easy maintenance, and practical features. It is typically installed in company lobbies, hotel reception areas, or government institutions, offering a more visually impactful experience compared to traditional front desk solutions. Speakers and a control box are installed below front LED display, and the volume can be adjusted. The control box can be opened for easy installation or subsequent maintenance. The power supply uses an aviation connector design for higher safety and is plug and play. Front desk LED display uses GOB flexible LED modules, allowing it to adapt flexibly to different counter sizes. It is also moisture-proof and dust-proof, offering a certain level of protection, and can be maintained from the front using suction cup tools.